how do we write the opportunity statement. This is, a very a kind of a simple example. Now just read this. To switch patients from XYZ brand in the given indication with our brand, which offers patients comparable efficacy with a low incidence of side effects. In given patient segment, XYZ accounts for 75% of usage, equating to 25,000 patients. XYZ is well established with strong efficacy data, and physicians currently accept its high toxicity profile. Despite that, and the financial value of this opportunity is approximately 1,500 crore over 3 years. So let us try to, dissect this opportunity statement and see what are the necessary elements that must be captured here. So number one, your opportunity must connect to your patient journey. And therefore, you will certainly be able to trace back to a specific patient or customer group in this. So you are talking about to switch patients from this brand in the given indication. The second point is, does this statement also capture the number of target patients and customers? Yes, it does. Right? It says that in given patient segment, the XYZ accounts for 75% of usage, which is so many number of patients. So I have found a clear opportunity, a mango tree with a lot of, fruits on it. It's visible to me, maybe on the other side of the bank of the river, but I can size that opportunity. Third thing, this also tells you the most significant challenge to overcome and likelihood of doing so. I see that the mango tree on which a lot of opportunities are hanging from is on the other side of the river. And in the river, there are crocodiles. I don't know how to swim. I don't have a boat. I don't have a rope. I don't have any tool or equipment. I could have, overflown by a helicopter, but I don't have either. So you know your resources and you see the challenge in front of you. And that is why, what is the biggest challenge here? XYZ, your competitor brand, is well established with strong efficacy, and physicians are okay accepting its high toxicity profile despite that. That means it has such a kind of efficacy data that it is difficult for you to convert the physicians. And fourth, it does capture the current knowledge and practice and future knowledge and practice required, yes. And it also quantifies the financial value of the opportunity over a time period. So a smart objective. And what it is certainly connecting to a relevant customer insight.